Here is the reading for August 3, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 746 screen signals. The window added 30 net signals. Material added 8, intelligence added 15, network added 5 and diversity added 2. About 24.9 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 143, intelligence for 18, network 97, and diversity 88. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. The new pressure point is NVIDIA's Vera. Rubin pushes the AI factory deeper, but today's pattern is bigger than one company. Material leads with BioNTech, names Guido Oelkers CEO. Network leads with Zenity, lands $125 million to monitor AI agents. Read with the intelligence signal, the receipt shows movement across the physical stack, the model layer, and the tools people use. The useful test is whether customers are better served and workers become more capable, or ownership simply becomes more efficient. Conscience is unchanged from the prior edition, with a balanced reading at 44 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 102. A dashboard can count capability, it cannot certify progress. Diversity is concentrating, network is concentrating. Look for the proof that matters, customers genuinely better served, workers with more agency, a real challenge path, and benefit that travels beyond the cap table. Hope begins when capability becomes usable agency. Today's discipline is to connect capability to consequence. Name who is better served, whose work becomes more capable, who can challenge the system, and whether the benefit travels beyond the owners. If the evidence ends at funding or a benchmark, the headline has outrun accountability and its human consequence. For the detailed source-by-source cure evidence, watch today's The Cure Protocol. The link is below this video, where the fresh research, limits, and next targets are laid out in full.